Right now, we're getting a look at some of the most annoying words and phrases from this year, topping the most from the annual Marist College poll. Whatever. That's what top is. Fake news, as you can see, wasn't far behind. No offense, but was also on the list, along with, you know what I mean? 1 in 10 people said literally was the most irritating. I feel people just say that when you don't even need it. Like, I literally just said that to you. Like, I know. Just say I said it to you.
And no offense, but that is not nice.
Yeah.
That's just rude.
That's just setting yourself up for saying something pretty mean.
Right.
Yeah, don't take offense to this, but I'm going to say something offensive.
I'm going to say something offensive, yeah.
That is annoying.